Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can actually start affiliate marketing step by step, whether you are in Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, any part of Africa. And by the end of this video I will give you best apps, the best website that you can actually use them as an affiliate marketer. Without wasting much of your time, let's start with the very first thing you have to know. Over the past years, affiliate marketing is the traditional way to make money online. If you are an affiliate marketer, all you do is to promote companies' products or services to people through your affiliate link. And anytime somebody clicks on your affiliate links, head over to that website, purchase the product, you will earn what is called a commission. It is super simple. All you need is your smartphone or laptop together with internet access. Sit comfortably in your room and sign up with any of the affiliate website that I'm gonna tell you. After that, copy your referral link. If you have audience on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, currently known as X, WhatsApp status, and anytime your people clicks on that, purchase the product, you'll be making a lot of money. It's super simple. People are making money through affiliate marketing, and you can also do that. You don't have to sit in your room and say there's nothing for you to do. You can actually start affiliate marketing. If you are in the university, if you are somebody who is good in IT, you can actually start affiliate marketing, and these companies will pay you for your services. So where can you actually start as an affiliate marketer? I'm going to give you some legit apps, some legit websites that you can actually sign up with them and start affiliate marketing. Alright, so I'm going to start with the very first legit app that I've been using to earn some cedis online, and the name of this app is called Achieve by Petra. Achieve by Petra is an investment app that you can actually use if you are a moderate risk investor, low risk investor, moderate risk investor, or a high risk investor. And you as an affiliate marketer, you don't need anything to invest. You don't have to invest your money. All that I want you to do is to download the Achieve by Petra app. Register, let them verify your account. Next, I want you to head over to this page where you can see refer and earn. Anytime you refer somebody to this investment app, 20 Ghana cedis will be split among the two of you. I mean, you the person who referred someone and the person who had also signed up and made his or her first deposit. I mean, you will earn 10 Ghana cedis and that person will also earn 10 Ghana cedis. I've been earning money with this investment app. So in a day, if you refer 10 people to this simple app, 10 times 10 is what? 100, which is 100 Ghana cedis in a day. So the more audience that you have, the more money that you can actually use the Achieve by Petra app to make. For now, this is the only legit app that I will tell you to use, but there are a lot of apps that you can actually use as an affiliate marketer. Subscribe to the channel, I'll come back and show you more. Let's head over to website that you can actually sign up to become an affiliate marketer. All I want you to do is to head over to Google and search affiliate marketing website. But you can actually also sign up with Amazon Associates and start promoting products on Amazon. And anytime somebody makes purchase, Amazon will give you what is called a commission. It's super simple. The next website that you can also sign up is Alibaba.com. Next is Jumia.com. Next on the list is Allison. With Allison is online, I would say online platform for learning. All right, you can actually take courses, gain certificate in terms of degree, in terms of diploma, and any other qualifications. All that you have to do is to sign up with Allison, register to become an affiliate marketer, copy your referral link, and tell your people, I mean your audience, who will not like to go and learn free from Allison and get certificates without going to the university. It's super simple. So even your friends will be happy to hear this from you. I took my music production from Allison, and I also learned Microsoft Excel from Allison, and I've gained my certificate. You can also do this and promote Allison platform to your people, and you'll be earning commission from Allison. Now I want to make the work simple for you. All that you have to do is to come to your Google search and search ClickBank Affiliate Marketing. With ClickBank Affiliate Marketing, you can actually sign up with multiple affiliate websites, and you'll be making money through ClickBank. All right, it's super simple. I want you to know that a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a step, and if you are not disciplined, dedicated, and determined to make money online, trust me, you will see affiliate marketing to be something, I will not say it, but if you take this thing serious, start with that device that you are having, promote the links, you will actually be making money through affiliate marketing. Start right now, and by the end of this year, you'll come back and thank me. Now that you know affiliate marketing, how can you actually create multiple sources of income? Then watch the next video that will pop up on the screen. Until then, hand to head, salute.